Woohoo! It's vacation day! And we are going to, wait a second, Cancun! Okay, we said at the same time. It's been a pretty easy morning so far. We got to the bus, almost didn't have parking. That's okay though. We ended up parking on the roof. I kind of wanted to cover my car, but oh well. And we ended up getting the last seats together on the bus, so that was good. And security took a while, but I thought it was going to be longer. There's Michael with the forms. Very important. Or else we can't go. The hot tub, beach right over there, little bar we just ate at, all the rooms. What is this?
Vendors.
Oh, little vendors with American sports teams. Too early to check into our room, so we're just exploring. Oh, look at this. This is so pretty. It's like the pool and the ocean look like they just connect. There's a pool, other pools over here. The lobby over there by the fountain. Oh, that's nice. Our resort has like this super cute little market, the coffee shop, some snacks, some toys. Oh, you can get some bread. How do you say that in Spanish? Leche? Wait. I don't know.
You just don't say it.
Some candies. Oh, there's even a wine section. Oh, tequila corner. That's so convenient. Okay, so this is a 10th building. This is where we are. This is the second area. So there's another pool. There's a sports bar right here. Ooh, looks like a little fire pit area. That's cool. A little lobby. We're trying to find the VIP owners lounge right now. Apparently, we get a welcome packet. We got a discount card, which is pretty cool. And then just look at how pretty this is. See, it's like a pool that opens out into the ocean even. So pretty.
Finally, just got in a room. It's about 4 o'clock local time in Cancun. So basically, we were up at 4:30 in the morning, which is crazy early, and we drove to the bus station about 20 minutes away where there's like an express bus right to the airport. A little after 6, we actually got to the airport. So we get here, and we have to go through customs, right? I happened to get selected for a like random inspection, and we brought a check bag, and it was in my name. So it's like me carrying this like giant check bag, and then my actual carry-on bag, and then my like duffel bag, like my personal item, and it was like a mess. And then we were behind like a family that had like 7 suitcases, and it just ended up taking forever. So we had booked like transportation like through our hotel. To get to the hotel from the airport, they said in an email to us, when you get through customs in the tourist information area, there's gonna be like a bajillion people, and they're gonna look so official and try to help you. Just totally ignore them, they're salespeople. Oh my goodness. There were so many of them, and they like were flies. Like they would just swarm to you. And they'd like try to tell you they were gonna help you find your hotel, but then they'd like pull you away and start giving you a sales pitch, and you basically like couldn't leave. So we just like kept walking by, and like a lot of people were just saying like no thanks. Luckily they didn't stop us. There ended up being like an ATM around the corner you could get Mexican pesos from. So we just ended up doing that, getting money. We ended up getting here about 2.5 hours before we could check in. So basically went in, paid for the shuttle, they took our bags. After that we kind of just like walked around, explored different areas, talked to a couple different people about things to do. Then I think we're gonna go walk down the street about 5 minutes away to the grocery store and just get like some water and some breakfast food and some snacks. But honestly, I think we're just gonna relax in the pool and hang out. That's about it. And now we're just gonna start exploring and having fun. Woohoo! We just got back from the grocery store, which was an experience. It's about a 10-minute walk away, a couple blocks. We walked the whole thing and carried back $60 worth of groceries, plus a giant pack of water. So if the camera's shaking, it's probably because my hands are still shaking from carrying everything. Had some difficulties communicating, but honestly, I'm doing way better at speaking Spanish than I thought I would. Like, I took 5 years growing up middle school and high school and really haven't used it much since. And I'm honestly doing way better than I thought. But I'm gonna show you guys our hotel and our room now. So I am standing at the end of our hall. Our room's like somewhere over here. It's kind of loud because there's like a street right outside of us, but you can't hear it all in the room. So if you take a right out of our hotel room and just walk a couple steps down, this is the view. Ready for this? Dun, dun, dun. Like, come on. It's beautiful. So that right there is the pool, and then that's the ocean. So like the pool goes kind of right into the ocean. All right, so now backing up, we're gonna walk to our room. This is the hallway. Going on an adventure. We're right on the corner. It's kind of interesting. Right out here is a shopping plaza and a giant Ferris wheel. They're like closed Ferris wheels too. So this is our room, 1032. Okay, so you walk in, I put all the lights on, but you walk in and there's like a washer dryer right here, which is actually really nice. Just put a bunch of our shoes on the floor. And then it has a really nice villa with pretty giant kitchen. Recent shopping, so we got some food now. There's a little mirror, and then a big table. Michael's hanging out, and then kind of have 2 outside views. Okay, this one basically is just like a tree, but you can kind of see some water. But it's this view out this side door where it's really nice. Look at this view. This is right outside our bedroom. Like, it's so pretty. It's a little windy right now. But oh my goodness, it's beautiful. And then we have this little table and chairs, and that's our bedroom, which we'll go in a second. So if you come over here, have our bedroom. Here's the bed, little sitting area, has my bag in it. Again, there's that view, and like you could hear there's a lot of noise. There's like
no noise inside. It's pretty nice. But I recently discovered this slides open to reveal a bathtub in the bathroom. The resort's really, really nice too. Huge. That is our room. Alright, well, it's just about the end of our first day. It's a little bit after 9 p.m. here. It's about 10 p.m. at home. We've been up since 4:30. I think we're gonna head to bed and call it a day and sleep in and make some breakfast from the room tomorrow. Probably eat outside since we've got a gorgeous view in that nice patio. And then just hang out for the day, explore the area a little bit, and then get our massages at night. Bye!